I always say you're stronger than you know. You have what it takes. I want you to feel empowered to reach your wellness and weight loss goals. Feeling strong, whole, and healthy is the core of my daily practice. It's critical to doing my personal best as a mom of 3, a wife, and a certified integrative nutritionist. Integrative medicine really is the future of wellness. What foods we choose to feed ourselves affects every other element of our lives. My lifelong passion for health was inspired by my international upbringing. I was born in Lebanon, grew up in North and West Africa, Central and South America, and always ate real whole foods. Integrative nutrition looks at not only what foods we're feeding our body, but how we're feeding all areas of our life. I look at the mind and body. What is holding you back from feeling your absolute best? I applied this training to achieve repeated weight loss results for my clients over the years and develop the Karina Method. I want to be your accountability, your source of empowerment, and help educate you on what to do right now for long-term results. My method's Gain to Lose philosophy empowers women to gain inner strength, confidence, worth, to lose all those fears, insecurities, and unworthiness, and finally get the body they deserve. And it all starts by putting yourself first today.